Okay, in this Tips by Chris video, I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to simply add a post to your blog. I am assuming that you've already logged in. If you haven't, go ahead and log in. You can go to your dashboard, or if you're on your home screen, you can simply go to New, and let's click on Post. Now from your dashboard, you could have done the same thing by going here on the left side and going to Add New, and it would take you to your post here. If you don't know the difference between a post and a page, I highly recommend you look into the explanation of the differences between a post and a page. They both have the same type of features in adding content, but your content will end up in two different places. In this case, we're working on strictly doing a post. So once you've clicked on the Add New and you have this page here, you'll now create your title. So here is how to create a post in WordPress. And let's make this tutorial. Let's put video tutorial on how to create a post in WordPress. Okay, so now that you have your title there, after a few seconds you will see that the URL will be created. Right there we go. It'll be created right under there. As long as you keep on typing and you're making some changes within the title area here, you will find that your it'll delay in actually making the actual URL extended out here. Now you don't need to do anything with that. We'll just go ahead and leave it, and what we're going to do is now start to create our post. So this is a tutorial on how to create a post in WordPress. Okay, so I'm just going to leave this as a sample here, and we're going to go ahead and post this up. But when you actually see this post in the my Tips by Chris site, you'll see all of the content that I'll be adding after this video has been done. Now I have a couple of plugins along the way that I've added. So if you have all-in-one SEO, you can now change the title to something different, add a description if you'd like. This type of description will be showing up in the search engines, or you don't really need to do much. You can leave it there as well. And what you do is you'll then also create your category, select your category. So for me, this is going to be a WordPress tutorial. I'll be selecting that. And if I want to come back later and not publish it, I could actually save this draft. But in this case, what I'd like to do is publish it so I can show you what it looks like. Now before I do that, I want to explain a little about this preview button. Take note here that I only have one tab on the top of my browser. When I click the preview, it opens up a second tab, like so. And what it'll do is it'll take you to what your post will look like if it were to be launched. Now, one thing that I notice a lot of new people have problems with is they don't realize that this is not the place you want to edit it. If you click edit here, it'll take you back to the dashboard. But don't forget, you have this tab open already to do your edit. So this tab that had just opened up and is showing you your preview, when you're done looking at it, close it out to go back. And the main reason being is if you use this second tab, I'm going to click on it again and reopen it. If you use this tab to go in and edit, now you're going to have two editing windows open at the same time. So for instance, I'll click here to edit it. I have this window open, and if you see my other tab here, I have this window open. So WordPress will get confused as to which one it's supposed to really be kept as the real thing. So that's why I always say close down the preview window when you're done. Go back and do your edits where you want to. So this is the page I want to edit. And then I can just simply go ahead and publish it. And once it's published, it'll take you to the home page. Oh, well, I'm sorry. It'll take you and tell you that it's updated, post is published, and you can view your post here. So let's go back to the home page and see what my post looks like. And here I have my post. Okay, and it's lined up with the rest. And if I want to just see my post on its own page, I'll click on it, and it will take me to the actual page that's just by itself. Click here. Now there's no other tabs open, there's no other browsers open, so what I can do is if I want to, I can edit the post by clicking edit post here, or I can even do the same thing by clicking edit here. Either one or the other will allow me to go into the post and now edit it again. And that's how you create a post in WordPress. Thanks.